G'day, Peter here from PSD. I'd like to introduce you to the Canycom 2406 commercial ride-on brush cutter. This rugged machine is built with the commercial user in mind. It's powered by a Honda GX690 24 horsepower commercial grade engine with a 20 litre fuel tank. It comes fitted as standard with a ROPS safety bar and a seat belt. It has a commercial grade steel chassis with a steel footplate for extra longevity. It also uses Canycom's very own commercial 2-speed hydrostatic transmission. At the front of the machine we have a heavy duty bull bar which forms part of the ROP system, and it helps to push material through underneath the cutting deck. We have 2 strapping points which make it easy for transportation, and there's also a couple of strapping points at the back of the machine as well. These machines also feature a heavy duty cast steel front axle, and we have a guard at the front of the machine to stop any material coming out such as stones or flying objects. The machine's also fitted with Canycom's own commercial grade tyres which offer excellent traction and longevity. The overall deck width is 975mm, so it makes it a great machine for narrow access areas, and with this deck we can cut the most of any machine on the market today. The machine features a samurai blade which is designed to last a lot longer. This is a reversible blade and can be changed on site as it's a toolless operation. Probably the most unique feature of a Canycom machine is that we have a direct shaft drive system to the cutting blade. This ensures that we get maximum power from the engine directly through to the blade. A great benefit of this is that we don't have to replace belts, and therefore we have increased uptime. Jumping onto the operator platform, here we have a really comfortable grandma seat which is fully adjustable. In front of me we've got the steering wheel, and down below me we've got the differential lock which offers us extra traction in treacherous wet conditions. We've also got the 2- and 4-wheel drive lever so we can switch between the two depending on the type of work we're doing. At the top of the dash we've got an engine oil pressure light. There's a safety warning light for when we're working on steep slopes up to 25 degrees. We've also got our lights, and then there's a removable battery cover for access into your battery, as well as an isolator switch on the side for storage over long periods. Underneath the steering console we have our blade engagement lever, and down to the left side we have the parking brake. As with all Canycom models, the CMX2406 features a hand lever control to the left hand side, but we also have a foot lever on this side so we can operate forward and reverse and keep both hands in a secure position on the steering wheel. We then have good access for our air filter which is on the top. Down below me here we have the height of cut mechanism, and this is electronically operated. You can lift up a seat in the middle of the machine which will reveal a toolbox for storage. When we then remove that we've got access into the PTO shaft drive. There's a shear pin on the shaft, so if we do hit anything under high impact the pin will shear, which will protect the blade and the gearbox. So that's the CMX2406, a machine made in Japan that's built to last and built for work. If you'd like to arrange a demonstration or just to find out some more information, please contact PSD today.